What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Dougie Be Fishing. I am Captain Doug. I am out here in Pensacola today on this really dreary, rainy, cold day. I got a rain suit on, and hopefully with it being overcast, I can jump on some really big speckled trout today. If you would like to book a charter with me, I will leave everything down in the description so that you can contact me. I do have a boat and I have a captain's license, but I do fish out the kayak quite often. So if y'all want to book a charter with me, y'all can reach me down below. So let's get to fishing. I just got here. I literally just got here. I trolled down the canal a little bit, but I ain't really see too much. I know they're in here. Yeah. Oh my God. Hey, biting. All right, y'all, look at that. Beauty. As soon as I got back here. But he ain't the size that I want. I want bigger. All right, beautiful keeper speck. This water is absolutely freezing. Well, thank God we threw that other cast out there first, because that would have been the first cast. Little tap. I could see him on the damn surface messing with it. At least that last one did. So he came out and popped it, but he didn't eat it. Alrighty, y'all. Got another decent one. Another good one. Not the one I want, but like I said, we're gonna get into some nice ones today. I don't know about how big, but most of the time they pretty chill. Another keeper. That water is freezing. These poor fish. I mean, we got a 50-degree water temp in here, but it's 49 out there. And that's why these fish are in here. It's just more comfortable for them to be in here. That, and then this is where the bait is, and just a typical seasonal pattern of where these fish are. Look at him dancing. He's full of piss and vinegar. That's another keeper. Maybe. Let's just try like a little steady. Okay, there we go. No, he ain't as big as what I thought he was. He done wrap me all up too. Yeah, well, there we go. Alrighty. Alright, y'all, another pretty speckled trout. And I want to say this is a Megabass Vision or something. But the reason why this bait works so good is once this water starts getting really, really cold, these mullet, they start dying. And then they dart, and they'll either sink or they'll swim up to the surface. And this is imitating this exact thing. So, and the reason I'm using like this real bold white color, it's because it's overcast and I want to give them something to kind of lock into. The next bait I'm gonna probably throw is gonna be this Shimano Flash Boost, and it's more of a see-through color. This water's clear enough. I don't really need a white one. But that bait's got a little flashing thing on the inside of it. But this is the setup that I like throwing all my jerk baits on. It is a 7-foot medium power moderate action. I got it on 14-pound Sunline fluorocarbon, and it's got a Akuma Helios reel. So it's a fast moving reel. It's actually probably about at the end of its life, to be honest with you, because I've had it for a number of years now and just used and abused in salt water. You know, salt water eats up everything. See if we get some of these bigger ones to eat. That's really what we want to get, is the big ones. I don't care about no littles. That was so weird. Such a weird freaking bite. Back. Strike out of him. But we knew that we had some. Okay. All right. I don't know what the hell's going on here. Did I snag something? I can feel it fighting. I just don't know what the hell it is. If I got him in the mouth, he's a giant. No, I snagged him on accident. Just reeling. There he is. I mean, look at that, yo. I mean, them fish are sitting down there and they're looking at it. They don't want to eat nothing with it. They don't want nothing to do with it. There we go. Okay, there we go. I gotta tighten the drag up. I can't even barely move. Alrighty. There you go. Bottom. There we go. Another beauty. I mean, God, look at this one. This one's so spotted up. That's one thing I do like about Florida, man. You get some of these fish, they're just so spotted up. He's got spots all the way up on his head. They just get a real pretty color to them here. I mean, like Louisiana, usually get them, they either got that blue or that purple. Over here, they're just super spotted for some reason. That'd be a beautiful one to catch, like a 30-incher that's like that. That'd be freaking awesome. I'm gonna fish this a little bit. There we go. That's a good one. Like, what did I say? I mean, he's not that good, but he's good. At least I think so. Yeah, a little bit bigger. The bigger size, right there. Nice fatty. Pretty one. I need them 3 pounds or bigger for this tournament. Alrighty. Well. Oh, he popped off. Okay. Now, as long as he's not tangled or foul hooked, should be a pretty good one. I don't know how big he is. Nope, he's foul hooked. Man. All right, there we go. That's a better one. All I see is mouth. Looks like I got a few good hooks in them, I guess. Alrighty. I mean, how big are you? I can't even tell. He looked to be somewhat nice. I don't want to pull on too hard. I don't even think he's gonna do it. I mean, he could. I don't know. It's hard to tell. God dog it. You little prick. 238. So we need a little bit bigger than that. All right, nice pretty one. Beautiful. 19, huh? That damn fish fought like hell. For a damn 19, you think he'd fight a little bit? Wouldn't fight as hard, but hey. Okay, there we go. That feels pretty good. I can't tell. No. Kind of really laid off on the drag on this dude. But hey. See? Look. Not a single hook in the mouth. And this is how you can tell right here of like this mood that this fish is in. It's like he almost wants to eat, but he's kind of just reacting. He's just reacting to the bait.